Is almost here, so of course we want to know what to do with all of those great turkey leftovers. Val Plagge with Corn, Beans, Pigs, and Kids joins us now with some great recipes for your turkey. Thank you so much for being here for this Farmer Friday.
Yes, thanks for having me, Megan.
You're a farmer in north central Iowa, right?
Yes, like you said, I raise corn, soybeans, pigs, and 4 kids with my husband near Latimer, Iowa.
Oh, I love it. And that's the name of your blog too,
yes,
right?
Yeah, I've been blogging there since 2012. Sharing my role as a farmer, wife, and mom.
Well, great. Well, you're going to show us how to make turkey tacos. Is that right?
Yes. So when Thanksgiving rolls around, no matter the size of gathering, we're probably going to have leftover turkey.
Yes.
And we might get tired of having that traditional turkey dish. So I have some leftover turkey here that I just put some chili powder and cumin on it. You're already going to have some of those seasonings from your Thanksgiving bird already on there. And then I have an Iowa taco topper to put on top that's got corn and edamame in it.
So you got corn and soybeans in there.
Yes.
Plus some tomatoes you're going to chop up, avocado, which we love.
Yeah, it would also be just a great salad for in the summer, or even a side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner, really.
Oh yeah, because you put some cucumber in there too, right? So lots of vegetables. Why is turkey so important to Iowa? I mean, I don't think we all think about that all the time.
Iowa actually ranks 7th nationally in the United States for turkey production, and all of those Iowa turkeys are eating all the corn and soybeans that we raise here in Iowa. And the birds that are grown here in Iowa traditionally are lunch meat turkeys versus the Thanksgiving birds, but no matter what size the turkey gets, they're eating the corn and soybeans we raise.
Oh wow, so providing important nutrients for the turkeys.
Exactly, creating that healthy protein that's low in fat.
Okay, so we're putting some tomatoes in there, and you already cut up some avocado. What's the dressing or the seasoning, the topper that you put on the topping?
Yes, it's lime juice and some oil, and then just some salt and pepper, and just a quick stir with everything in there. There's also some onion as well. And then the tortilla shells, we have corn tortilla shells here. I like to get them from my local Mexican restaurant, and then you can fry them in soybean oil. And if you buy vegetable oil at the grocery store, it's actually going to be 100% soybean oil.
Oh wow, fun. That's good to know. So we got a lot of Iowa products here.
Yes.
And those look amazing. So you put the turkey in, the shredded turkey, and then put the topper in. And then I love how it's all mixed up, because otherwise my kids will sometimes pick out different things. So this way they have it all there and ready for them.
Well, I know my kids love tacos and would eat tacos probably 3 times a week if I let them. So this is a great way of repurposing that Thanksgiving turkey.
Now, Iowa corn and Iowa soybean have a really cool thing coming up, especially for the holidays. It's called Common Ground. What's that?
Yes, Common Ground is a group of women farmers, and we're volunteers from across the nation, but our Iowa group is hosting a Ladies Linked Week next week, Monday through Friday, and it's a holiday edition. So we're going to be sharing holiday tips, tricks, recipes, and also going on some farm tours, all virtually.
Oh, wow.
And you can find out about it by going to the Common Ground Iowa Facebook page and going to the Ladies Linked Week group on Facebook. And if you participate and engage, you've got a chance at some really great prizes.
Oh, how fun. So you can have a virtual holiday get-together.
Yes, and hopefully learn some new things that will help you make it through the holiday season.
Well, Val Plagge with Corns, Beans, Pigs, and Kids, thank you so much for joining us for this Farmer Friday and sharing this great recipe with us too. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
And we'll put a link to that Common Ground Facebook group on our website. And if you'd like to become a member of the Iowa Corn Growers Association, you can call the number on your screen. That's 515-225-9242. For more information, you can also go to their website, iowacorn.org. You can also find them on Facebook and Instagram. The handles are on your screen. And women turning over 50, turning them into cover girls. The project where the photo shoot is more than snapping pictures. In case you missed it earlier, here's today's Who Knew question. What was the first toy to be advertised on TV? Was it A, Mr. Potato Head, B, Barbie, or C, Tinker Toy? The answer to that is coming up.